Hello children, welcome in our maths class. Children, I hope you all are fine and you all are watching video lesson, and according to that you all are completing your assignment. So children, in our maths we are going to continue 12th chapter, perimeter and area. In this chapter, exercise 44 we had completed. Now today in this class we are going to continue our exercise 45. So in exercise 45, question number first is there. If the side of a square is 12 centimeter, find its area. Means in this today's class we are going to learn area of square and area of rectangle, and perimeter of square and perimeter of rectangle. So one by one which questions will come, in that we are going to use our formula and we will solve the sum. In first one, the side of a square is 12 centimeter. Side given 12 centimeter. Then find its area. So children, area we are going to find out for square. Therefore, area of a square equal to side into side. So side we know that 12 centimeter. That's why 12 centimeter into 12 centimeter. When we will multiply 12 into 12, we will get 144 square centimeter. Square centimeter you write like this way, or you can write like this way, centimeter square. Both the meaning is same. So here we had got our answer, area of a square equal to 144 square centimeter. Now question number second. If the length of a rectangle is 15 centimeter and breadth is 5 centimeter, find its area. Question number second. Length given 15 centimeter. Breadth given 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. I hope you all know the for this one geometrical figure of a rectangle like this way. Then this one is A, B, C and D. Length AB equal to length DC. Means opposite sides of a rectangle is 15 centimeter. And length AD, that is 5 centimeter. Here also 5 centimeter. Length of a rectangle, opposite sides are same. That's why AB 15 centimeter we had taken and AD we had taken 5 centimeter. So children, now we are going to find out area of rectangle. Write down area of rectangle. Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Length is given 15, breadth is given 5. 5 centimeter, here 15 centimeter, equal to 15 5 ja 75 square centimeter. I hope exercise 45 question number first and second both is clear to you. So children, now we are going to start question number third. Then in question number third, Third one, the area of a rectangle is 102 square centimeter. If its length is 17 centimeter, what is its perimeter? So children, here question number third one. Question number third one. Area of a rectangle is given. Area of a rectangle equal to length into breadth. Here in our question number third, area of a rectangle is given 102 square centimeter. Length is given 17 centimeter. And the breadth we are going to find out. And after find breadth, what we are going to find out? The perimeter of a rectangle. So children, first question is that we are going to apply area of a rectangle with the help of its length and breadth. From this question we will find out breadth. When we will get breadth, after that we will apply for the perimeter of a rectangle. So children, here breadth we will write as it is equal to 102 square centimeter upon 17 centimeter. Here 17 1 ja 17, 17 6 ja 102. Therefore 6 centimeter. Our breadth is 6 centimeter. Therefore children, now we are going to find out perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2. Now here we are learning new formula of perimeter of a rectangle, that is 2 length plus breadth. So children, here 2 length is we know that is 17 plus now we got breadth that is 6. So children, 2 17 plus 6 6 plus 7 13 3 and carry 1 1 plus 1 2 23. So children, here 2 into 23 46 centimeter. So our answer, perimeter of a rectangle equal to 46 centimeter. Now question number 4. If the side of a square is tripled, how many times will its area be as compared to the area of the original square? First try to understand the question. Question number 4. Question number 4. Here 2 types of square is given. 2 types of square is given. So children, here for first square we will take measurement A. Side we are taking A. And in our question, what is given? Side of a square is tripled. Means now first square is side is A, and for second square side is tripled, means 3A. 3A. So children, here what we are going to find out? Area of a square. For first one, area of first square. Area of first square equal to side square. Therefore side is A equal to A square. Now area of square of side 3A. Write down area of square of side 3A equal to side into side. Children, formula of side square and side into side both is same only. Therefore, here 3a into 3a equal to 9a square. Now we got area of first square as well as area of second square. Now what we are going to find out? Here area of the, now it is given that if the side of a square is tripled, means when it is tripled, how many times will its area be as compared to the area of the original square? Means that second square how many times more than first one? Then we will write, if the side of a square is tripled, then its area becomes, we will multiply in our second area, that is 9a square, divide by the area of first square, that is a square. A square cancelled and the answer is 9. Means it's become 9 times more. 9 times more, or 9 times of the original square. So children, I hope this exercise 45 you all understood properly. So we are going to continue our next exercise, that is 46. Question number first one. Here question number, exercise 46, question number first. So children, in question number first, a page of a calendar is 45 cm long and 26 cm wide. What is its area? Children, as we know, the length is given 45, breadth is given 26. Means this one is the figure of rectangle. That's why we will write area of calendar, area of a calendar equal to length into breadth. Then length is given 45 centimeter and the breadth is given 26 centimeter. Now multiply both 45 and 26. 6 5 ja 30, 0, carry 3. 6 4 ja 24, 24 plus 3. 24, 25, 26, 27. 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8, 9. Then 0, 7, 9 plus 2, adding we will get 11. So children, here our answer is 1170. 1170 square centimeter. Area of a calendar is 1170 square centimeter. So children, question number second. What is the area of a triangle with a base 4.8 centimeter and height 3.6 centimeter? So children, here question number second one. What is the area of a triangle with a base 4.8 centimeter and height 3.6 centimeter? What you will write? The area of a triangle. The area of a triangle equal to, children, now here question number second, we are learning one new formula. What is that new formula? Area of a triangle. What I told earlier, today we are going to learn area and perimeter of square and rectangle. But here now one new formula is there, that is area of a triangle. So children, to find out area of a triangle, 2-3 formulas are there. But here what is there in our question, what is given in our question, according to that we will use our formula. Here in our question, base is given and height is given. Because of that one, regarding this one, area of a triangle, in which formula we are having base and height, that formula you will use, that is half into base into height. So children, here half, base is given 4.8 centimeter into height is given 3.6 centimeter. So 2 1 are 2. We will cancel 2 with 4.8, or you can cancel 3.6 also. Here I am going to cancel 2 into this one 4.8. 4.8 is numerator and 2 is in denominator. 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 4 are 8. We got 2.4. Now what we will do? We will multiply 2.4 into 3.6. First we will multiply 2.4 and 3.6. 6 4 are 24. 2 carry. 6 2 are 12. 12 to 14. 3 4 are 12. 3 2 are 6. 1 7. Now when you will add, you will get 4. 4 plus 2 6. 7 plus 1 8. So children, after 2 digit we are having decimal. After 6, here after 4. That's why after 2 digit we will put decimal. Means in our question 8.64, and this one is area, that's why centimeter square. I hope you all understood question number 2. Now we are going to solve question number 3. What is the value of a rectangular plot of land 75.5 meter long and 30.5 meter broad at the rate of 1000 rupees per square meter? So children, here in our question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3. Now children, here the value of rectangular plot of land given 75.5 long. That's a long means length. Length equal to 75.5 meter. Next one, broad. Broad means breadth. Breadth equal to 30.5 meter. Now length and breadth is given. Easily we are going to find out area of rectangular plot. Therefore write down area of rectangular plot equal to length into breadth. Length 75.5, breadth 30.5. Both we are going to multiply both number, that is 75.5 and 30.5. 5 5 are 25, 2 carry. 5 5 are 25, 25 2. 27, 2 carry. 5 7 are 35 and the 2 37. Next number, with the 0 we will multiply, then everywhere we will get 0 only. Next one, 3 5 are 15. 3 5 are 15, 1 16. 3 7 are 21. 22. Now 5, 7, after adding 7 plus 5, 12, 6 plus 3, 9, 9, 1, 10, 3, 2. So children, after when we got answer, that multiplication of answer, after that we will put decimal, and the decimal is after one digit here also and one digit up also. That's why after 2 digit we will put the decimal. That's why our answer is 2302.75 square meter. Here it is given meter. That's why write down meter. After that, what is given? At the we are going to find out the value of the plot, and that rate is given 1000 rupees per square meter. That's why write down the value of plot is 1000 rupees per square meter. That's why what you will find out, area or the value of area. Value of area equal to rate into area. Area is given or we got from the given length and the breadth, that is 2302.75, and the rate is 1000. That's why 1000 into 2302.75. Then when we will multiply, children, here no need to multiply separately because 1000 is there. What you will do? Write down the given number 2302.75 and put 3 0 1 2 3, and after that, after 2 digit decimal is there. That's why after 2 0, this one before 2 0, put the decimal. Then how many rupees you got? This one, this put the commas. 23,02,750. So children, here cost of area equal to, write down cost of area equal to rupees 23,02,750 rupees. So children, I hope you all understood the question number 3rd. So children, related to exercise 45 and 46, whatever today we had completed, that much I hope you all understood and you will complete in your assignment properly. Now here 2 questions are remain. In our next class we are going to continue. So children, till that time, stay safe, healthy and happy. Thank you children. God bless you.